Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on MetaTrader 5. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your MetaTrader 5. After that, make sure that you have a demo account. After that, just go to any of the trading and click on this button and click on trade. And buy or sell, it's your wish. And that's how you can backtest on MetaTrader 5. It's simple and easy. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.